Hi, good morning, Ron here one more time. This video is going to show you a few more new features and added functionality that we've did in X9.5. The first one I want to show you is the UPS, how we can ship multiple packages to the same address using only a few mouse clicks. First, I'm going to show you some of the added features in the settings section for UPS. I'm going to navigate there by clicking on settings here and the shipping tab. Now in here, you'll see we have a per box fee and whether or not we want to print the labels on demand and where them labels going to be printed. Is it going to be on the sheet or is it from a roll? And I'm going to select roll. All right, so let's go ahead and ship this order. So I'm going to click on ship and select UPS. And this is a function we added is this box button. And I can select from a predetermined set of boxes that we have in the settings section. I'm just going to add a couple more, and you can have as many boxes as you want. Now, if you don't select a service type, it automatically assumes it's just plain old UPS ground, but I'm going to go ahead and select ground for here. Now, let's say these are all ready to ship, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this button here, this ship all, and that'll reach out to quick UPS Online, and it'll pull back all the tracking numbers and the cost. And I'm going to cancel this because I don't truly want to ship them or print the labels. But there's all our tracking numbers associated with this, and the labels will read 1 of 2 or 3 or 4, whatever the case may be. And this is their total cost to ship all 3 of these packages. And down here I'll read it. And you can also email all the tracking numbers to your client at one swoop by clicking on this button. You can always reprint the labels by clicking on either this or this one, these buttons here. Now, when we exit out of this screen, in which the only way you can get out of the screen is by clicking on this X box, what this is going to do is going to look at the cost plus the dollar fee that we're charging, and it's going to ask us what we want to do. I'm going to add it to the order and recalculate it. Now, down here is our shipping fees, and there's our new balance. So it's a really handy way of recouping them costs plus a little bit. All right, so that's the UPS. Oh, also, before we move on to another thing, I want to show you under the history tab, we've added a new tab here for ship via UPS. And click on there. There's all the packages we shipped today. There's yesterday, this week, and so on. All right, so that's the UPS, all the functionality we've added to UPS. And the next one I want to show you is really important, is when we're updating products across the board from our vendors that we provide. In the past, it would basically replace all this data with the current pricing and product information. And it would look up your defaults in the shop setup or the settings section for these numbers. But now what we've done is we've made it so that when we update, let's say alpha, it'll retain this information over here. And why is that important is because let's say you spent a lot of time tweaking these products, and some of them you had to override the prices, some of them you've adjusted the ship charges on it, and so on. So instead of having to go back and redo that, we figured out a way to retain that information. And I'm going to go ahead and simulate it. Let's go ahead and click on Alpha as the vendor. And these are all the products from Alpha. I actually updated this morning, but I'm going to do it again just to kind of simulate how this works. So let's go to product 2. So this one I adjusted already. So I did the override in this one. But this next product, I'm going to say, okay, we're going to do a 50% markup on it, on these. And just to show you how this will retain this information. And we're going to, our shipping charge on this is $1. Let's see. All right. So by clicking up here, you can see I've already applied the alpha this morning. But I'm going to go ahead and clear that. And I'm going to reapply it. So this is going to reach out to our servers, and this is another thing we've done is we're performing these functions on our servers as opposed to locally on your computers. So this speeds the process up by probably 100%, I would guess. Now, keep in mind that downloaded over 3,000 products from Alpha in that short period of time. And there it is. Now, if I click on pricing, and I'm going to, there's our Alpha. So notice that was the one that we've overrid before. And this is the one that we've adjusted the ship charge and the markups. So it's basically retaining all this information. And there's this one. So that's really how it works. Pretty cool stuff. Let me know what you think, and hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.